All right, let's dive into OpenAI Vector Stores. We'll cover what they are, the pros and cons, and some of the hidden challenges you might face when building a production-ready AI. So, you've probably heard about RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's the key to letting AI assistants use your company's private knowledge, and OpenAI's Vector Stores were built to make this whole process simpler. So what exactly is an OpenAI Vector Store? Think of it as a smart library for your AI that finds information based on meaning, not just keywords, handling all the complex back-end work for you. The cool part is how much happens automatically behind the scenes. When you upload a file, the Vector Store breaks it down, converts it into numerical vectors, and gets it ready for quick retrieval. Naturally, the process starts with your knowledge files, like PDFs and Word docs. But here's something important to keep in mind. The system isn't really built for structured data, which can be a problem if your knowledge is in CSVs or JSON files. To make sense of these documents, the system first chunks them into small, manageable pieces. Then it creates what are called embeddings, basically turning that text into numbers so a model can understand its context. Now, when a user asks a question, their query is also turned into an embedding. The system then finds the best matching chunks from your documents and hands them over to an LLM like GPT 4o to craft a precise answer. Okay, so getting a simple demo running seems easy enough. But when you move to a real production-ready application, some practical issues start to pop up. Here's the big trade-off. Convenience often comes at the cost of control. As many developers have pointed out, once you build your system around OpenAI's ecosystem, you're pretty much locked in. And let's talk about cost, because it can be unpredictable. You're paying for storage based on the times, process times data, which is often much larger than your original files, leading to some surprising bills. Beyond cost, there's also the operational headache. You're on the hook for manually keeping your knowledge fresh and building your own pipelines to connect to other data sources. So, what if there was a simpler way? This is where dedicated platforms like eesel AI really shine, by bundling all that power into a business-ready solution. What's great about this is you can forget about manually uploading files. With just a few clicks, you can connect all your knowledge sources, and eesel AI keeps everything automatically in sync. And here's a really powerful feature, a simulation mode. It lets you safely test your AI on thousands of past conversations, so you can see exactly how it will perform times before times it ever talks to a real customer. So while the do-it-yourself approach is possible, it comes with real trade-offs in time and cost. A ready-made solution handles that complexity, letting you launch a knowledgeable AI agent in minutes, not months. So, if you're ready to deploy a powerful AI without all the engineering overhead, it's worth taking a look. You can visit the eesel AI website to learn more and even try it out for free.